How to fix Meta AI not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. Meta has finally released this AI and it's similar to ChatGPT. You can use it from any of the Meta app. So let's get back to the tutorial. To fix Meta AI not showing up on your device, open Facebook. Now click on hamburger icon located on right hand side of your screen. Now scroll down to bottom. You can see help and support. Click on that and then click on help center. Now on top of your screen you can see search box. Click on that and then search for Meta AI. Here you can see list of articles. Open any of them. Now here you can see that Meta AI isn't yet available for everyone. So it basically asks you to update the Facebook app. To do this, go back and open a Play Store app. Now click on the search box located on top of your screen and then search for Facebook. Click on Facebook. Now if your Facebook app isn't updated to its latest version, you will be able to see update icon on side of the uninstall. So simply click on that to update your app. After updating your Facebook app, you will be getting Meta AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.